my name is Taylor Bennett, and I am a violin instructor here at the Bechtel School of Music. Welcome to the first in our series of tutorials on how to play the songs in Tightrope Themes, a selection of one-string etudes for violin accompanied by piano. Today we are going to be looking at our first song in the book, which is called Everyone Has Arrived. This song is written in the key of G major, which means that we are going to be playing exclusively for this song on the G string, and on that G string we are going to be playing first, second, and third finger, placing them right on our tapes if you're using tapes on your violin. That means we're not going to be playing low 2, we're not going to be playing high 3, we're just going to be putting down first, second, and third fingers. Let's take a look at the first stanza and then talk through it. There, we're going to begin by playing 4 open Gs. Now, if you're a more advanced player and you know how to do vibrato, what can be fun is to put your third finger down on the G string and do vibrato on that. That'll get you an overtone and will help warm up that open G. If you're not to the stage of doing vibrato, don't worry, just make sure that your bows are nice and crisp and clean. In the next measure, we're going to jazz things up a bit with some eighth notes. So in this measure, we're going to be counting a consistent 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And this is where we're going to add in our fingerings. Now we're going to start on second finger and play 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So really, you're only playing one thing, you're just repeating it. Don't worry about the entire measure, just take that first bit and then just repeat it. And then you're going to finish off by playing G, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Just stepping right up with our fingers. Alright, notice that we end that phrase on an up bow, so there's no need to reset as we move into our second line. Let's take a listen to the second line and see if you can hear the similarities. Now this line is ending on a closing cadence, so things are going to sound a little more complete, but your first 3.5 measures are actually a repeat of your first line. So don't think you have to learn a whole second line, just focus on our ending. Instead of playing G, 1, 2, 2, we're going to play G, 1, 2, 1, and then go all the way back to an open G. There will be a reset at the end of this line. So listen to the part where it changes. And again, we're going to end that with a reset because we want to be able to start the next line right on a down bow. Let's take a listen to the next line. Notice that I lifted my bow because we will be resetting after that line as well. Now in this line, we're going to shake things up a little bit. This doesn't look like the other two lines. This is going to start on third finger, and first we're just going to walk it all the way back down to open G. 3, 2, 1, G. In the second measure though, we're going to do a bit of skipping around. We're going to start by playing 3, 2, then we're going to go back up to 3, then lift up third and second fingers to get that first finger. Then we're going to finish it off with another measure of consistent eighth notes. We're going to be doubling each note. So the notes we're playing, the fingers, are 2, 1, 3, 2. But we're playing 2 of each. And then ending on that nice open A with our bow lift and reset. And then we're going to finish the song with another line very, very similar to your opening. In fact, it's actually a direct repeat of your second line. So we don't need to go over that because you already mastered that second line. Now, there is an option for a first and a second ending if you'd like to elongate the song. And of course, you will have your piano accompaniment. So take a quick look at the first 4 measures of your song, which are blacked out for you because that's where the piano gets its chance to shine. So make sure that you are up and in play position, really focusing on that good form before the song begins. Do you have the first and second endings in this?
They should be.
Okay,
yeah.
perfect.